So you can see right here, I'm getting ready to serve. All I do is
Oh, is this the Wii?
Wii was actually...
Oh, jeez. And there goes the tennis racket. I didn't have it on there all the way. Make sure.
Are you kidding me, guy?
Bro, come on, man.
Are you kidding me, guy?
I mean, yeah, that's bad.
The Wii was very fun, though. I feel like that was way beyond...
I didn't realize it had a little tennis racket on the end of it.
I think that was like an added thing, because whenever I had it, it was just like the stick and like the other thing. You just held it and you just, yeah. But it was very fun.
It was fun. Good times.
Do you want to find yourself laughing all the time? Well, come on down to Top 10 Central. I'm one of your hosts, Jared Bronstein.
And I'm your other host, Josh Bedard. You get 2 for 1.
That's right. For the low price of just clicking right up here, you get to see a playlist of all featured videos.
No one's gonna buy this.
No, they're not.
Okay, that was great though. I think we should leave it.
Yeah, okay, sure.
When I flipped her hair back, did you see the difference of this hair?
My God, yeah.
Wow.
Look at that. Is that gorgeous?
It's beautiful.
Now let me look at the back. I am telling you, this hairspray is amazing. Now,
Please
do you
tell
love
me
my plump and thick?
it falls off.
I keep like 8 cans at a time.
Oh,
together.
girl, let me give you a kiss. That is good. Mwah. That was good.
What's gonna? Oh!
I fell on my booty.
What?
Well, hey guys, I just want to give you a kiss. What
that
was
was-
that?
yeah,
He like,
that was
It was
weird.
like a whisper too. He was like,
Like I don't kiss people like.
no, you gotta give him a little blow, a
Yeah.
little.
You gotta.
I
send
don't know
it their
why though.
way.
I was hoping that her hair would. It was like a wave.
I thought something was gonna fall
and it was
out.
gonna like fall off or
I
something.
agree.
King hair. Just spray GLH on and it instantly
So
covers
That
your
is
bald
so-
spot, leaving
it's
you with
literally
great
like
looking
dye.
hair. And ladies
Like spray
with thinning
paint.
hair or
Yeah.
bald spots, GLH solves the problem instantly. GLH is not a
That's
paint
100%
or a
It is a paint.
Yeah,
It's
it's a
an
spray-
amazing
that's-
powder that clings to the
that's-
tiniest hairs
that's
on your
spray
head.
paint.
It actually builds on itself,
No, it
leaving
doesn't.
you with great
That's so
looking
not
hair.
true.
That's
And
a spray
the
paint.
GLH hair system is not expensive.
Wow, that's incredible. I've been getting harassed
Wow.
to be involved.
Wow.
And now you're a young man. No more dates without being called old man, but the babes are back.
Oh,
Ba-
geez,
well,
guys.
the babes are back.
Gee, this is probably the worst written and acting like commercial I've ever seen.
I think I need to use it right here and here. Cause I
The
don't, my hair is
babes
real
are
good in the
back.
beard.
Get it! Let's test it out. This would be so
I
fun.
can just fill this out right here.
Although this is from like 1970s.
Because I will say, no babes.
No harm in it.
This is awful. It's funny, but it's awful. Like,
Oh my god!
Nobody saw it.
Oh
Just-
no, it got worse.
lifting the torso off the legs is just that was it for me.
They each had a body part in their hand, like a different body part.
Just what a shame.
At least they could laugh about it.
I think it was a nervous laugh though. I think it was just like a
what do we do? We're live, keep laughing.
yeah, just so uncomfortable.
Yeah, I do it all the time. I
Yeah,
just,
me too.
just laugh.
Picture of the horse I showed you earlier? Well, here it is, blown up.
The what?
This is a big horse. Order now. You get the camera, you get the printer.
The horse?
4X optical zoom.
Why is it saying
Schneider
horse?
lens.
Stop it.
I don't know.
Photo printer.
Stop it.
SD card. Look at that horse.
Bro, what?
The bushy tail, the big teeth.
Is he serious right
The
now?
hooves. Okay, my producer Tara Cates just told me this isn't a horse, it's a butterfly.
What, does he not look at
Oh,
it? Is he just touching it?
I think it's a green screen and they're gonna put something.
Oh my god,
Oh,
this
Jesus.
is the worst.
Oh no, you all just blew your own cover.
He's literally just like, look at this tail.
This is a nice horse in the mane right here. At first I'm like, what?
I was like, what's this guy looking at? What's he talking about? He's on a
I've just been
camera?
told that this is not a horse.
It's a butterfly.
It's not even close.
Oh, buddy.
Bro, that was probably.
Someone set you up.
How do you like your laptop?
Oh, I love it. You know what my favorite thing is, Rick?
That's a look. I don't know. I don't know if I want to know. What?
The way it crashes in less than 2 years. In fact, the way all the Dells crash in less than 2 years. That's the best thing about Dell.
Oh, dang. I did not expect that. What do you possibly do? How do you recover?
I thought they would have like a delay though.
No. It's
all
recorded.
live, right?
It's live phone calls recorded at that time.
Yeah. I mean, that's why I will say Howard Stern prank calls are great. Mm-hmm. They're so funny because they call shows like this and they just swear. It's just the funniest thing.
Yeah, I mean, I have predictions for everybody. I actually looked at yours just before I came over because I was kind of curious.
Oh, really? Well, do tell.
Well, Okay, so about 3 weeks from now, you're going to come home early, and you'll find your husband Rod in bed with another woman, actually. And we'll do a trial separation, and about 3 months into it, you'll start drinking again.
This can't be real.
It's really tough for you to hold down this job.
That can't be real.
No, because you can even see like 3 easy payments of 666. It has to be a joke. They would not put that up. This would not be. They would not.
No, but the numbers keep changing.
Oh yeah, is that what happened?
Yeah.
I noticed that.
Bro, that can't be real. This guy.
No, but
Come
that
on
is
now.
funny. That is very funny.
Dr. Daniel Alman. I want to look him up just in case he is real.
This one powerful product
OxyClean.
removes tough stains and
Look at that.
disinfects all over
weird.
your bathroom without harsh.
Oh,
Oh, Billy.
bro. Oh, yeah, redo, cut.
That was an outtake. You hear the guy just go, "You all right?"
Looking good.
Looking good.
I just went.
Yikes.
Oh, Billy Mays, Billy Mays, Billy Mays.
That's so crazy that we just said that.
What?
That we were just talking about OxyClean.
Well, that was Billy Mays.
I know.
Yeah, that's why I said it. 'Cause I saw him.
Oh, you saw it.
Yeah, and then I started
Oh,
doing,
I
"Hi,
thought
Billy
this was
Mays."
a really
No.
crazy coincidence. That's what I was like,
No,
bro,
no.
this
I
is
just
so
saw. I
weird.
saw like the little, like the thumbnail of him, and I was like, "Look, it's Billy Mays."
I thought the universe really spoke to us.
I
for
have
a
the
second.
beard, so I feel like Billy Mays is slowly coming into me.
Hi, Mary Beth Hoyt here, and as a stunt woman and the mother of 2 great kids, staying in shape is essential for me.
Look at the
If you're looking for a
baby.
quick, inexpensive way to get in shape, check out the Ab Force.
Oh. See ya. What the heck are they even doing there?
I feel like they're not even her kids.
Yeah, are they actors? But like, why? What do they have to do with the ab force?
Anything. I think it's the idea of like.
she's a mom of
Yeah,
2.
if you're a mom at home, you can still work out with the ab force. That's how mothers stay fit. Like I think that was the idea, is like selling.
Well, you would have had to get up and go get your kids. So
Yeah.
you ain't
They
selling
should
this.
have left that one in, being like, "Oh, let me just get my kids," and then go right back to it. It's so easy.
Oh, they were cute though.
For the low price of just smashing that like button, we'll give you plenty more videos at $0.00. So be sure to smash that like button, stick around for the bloopers. I've been one of your hosts, Jared Bronstein,
I was the other host, Josh Bedard.
and we'll see you guys in the next infomercial. Do you want to find yourself laughing all the time?
We're selling us, is what we're
Yeah,
doing.
or sell the channel.
Would you use this to
if-
bring the babes back?
Yeah, if the babes are back, I'll do it. All the babes that I see, I'm
Wow.
like, I go up to the babes, I'm like, "What's up, babes?" They're like, "Oh, you got a little nothing there," and I'm like,
That's the deal breaker?
"Rats."
Yeah, I want some coffee.
Yeah. Hey,
It's about
cheers.
that time. Cheers. Tim's versus Starbucks. Except mine's a leaking frickin' cup. God, I have another yawn. I'm sorry. Dang.
Making me yawn.